Hey, it's Dr. Danyo. I'm leaving the office here at 55 Roswell Street in Alpharetta, Georgia. And oftentimes, families or couples come for the procedure and they experience the full experience of Alpharetta, which is really great and fun. So while your spouse is having a procedure done, you can enjoy Alpharetta. So I'm going to make it easy. I'm going to kind of walk you through a couple paths to downtown Alpharetta and show you a couple things. So let's go. So there are a couple things to do here as far as directions. So you can either go to the left here or take this crosswalk. So let's take the crosswalk so we can kind of get to the meat of Alpharetta downtown. All right, so we're getting into Alpharetta right now. First stop, if you want some nice rolled ice cream, where's the scoop? It's a dessert bar. It's really pretty awesome. So we kind of cut right through here. We start getting into downtown Alpharetta. One of my favorite barbecue places is right here, Smoke Jack. And they've been here for a long time. And they do a great sliced brisket and pulled pork, all that stuff. Really good. So it's Saturday morning, so they actually have every Saturday, especially in the summer, they've got an outdoor market. So we'll walk through there. Be great. All right, well, this is the downtown square. Awesome place to hang out. Another landmark, if you look there, you can see the Alpharetta courthouse kind of behind us. All kind of apartments and stores around here, restaurants. Let's go check out the market. Here we are at the Alpharetta market. It's Saturday morning, and it's a great place. Got a lot of stuff. They got some great fresh honey over here, jellies. They got smoothies, bread, all sorts of stuff. I come down here a lot on the weekends, bring the wife, kids, dogs, all that stuff, and just enjoy really the community. I see a lot of people that I know down here, which is great. So anyway, we'll keep going. I love boiled peanuts. It's a great Southern tradition, and people make their own concoctions. They put spices in there and different things, so let's grab some.
I don't know why they call them peanuts, but I call them goobers.
You call them what?
Goobers.
Goobers, huh?
Yeah, I boil them about 6 hours. A lot of propane, a lot of stirring, a lot of patience. I try not to overcook them, undercook them, overcook them, oversalt them.
Let's see how these peanuts are. So good. So we walked through downtown Alpharetta in that first park. We got the library right here, the courthouse. Now we're going to walk to the Alpharetta Loop. So we're just going to take this pathway to the right. Got the library to our right as well. So this is the Alpharetta Loop right here, the start of it. So we're going to take this path almost about a mile to get to the Avalon, but we'll be going through some beautiful, really large hardwood trees and some really nice homes, and they've got these nice walkways here. we take this path around the park, and if we go to the left, kind of up the road, that's where the Avalon is. So again, if you're adventurous, you want like a 3-mile walk, take the Alpharetta Loop, which we just did. We're gonna walk up here to the corner of this park, and I'll direct you to the Avalon. We're gonna do kind of a separate clip from that point to the Avalon to kind of complete this journey. But it's been a great morning so far. You can see this Alpharetta Loop sign. So these signs direct you to kind of take the entire loop. But if you look up this hill and we walk up this sidewalk, then we'll get to the Avalon.